Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove your interior door handle and also your little air vent right here. For this starting, we're going to put a flathead right under this little plastic piece and be gentle, okay? Be gentle. You're going to wiggle it in there and then just slowly work it up and it'll release like that. You don't want to just pull it because it's metal and it'll just bend. It's super thin. So there you go, that's the first part. Then we're gonna get a 10mm socket on an extension and we're gonna go in there. And let me show you. You basically just pull forward on this. And this screw at the bottom, actually whoever did this put in the wrong one. Normally there is a different threaded bolts on here, but there's supposed to be two different ones in here, not two fine thread ones. So that's how you get the handle off. And then for the window switch, once you have the handle out of the way, it's really easy. You just lift up in the center, get that up a little bit, and push it forward in the back and lift up, and then rock it forward. Get your flathead, and like so. And now that we got the handle and the window switch off, there's 3 more 10s. There's one over here. So this is the one that they should have put on that handle. And the reason I know that is because it's not coming out. You see how it's just falling in? We'll have to probably pull on the door panel. So whoever had this off first must have stripped something. Which is just kind of good to show because these cars are old and a lot of people have gotten to them. There's going to be another screw or another bolt under here. Lift the handle and there's a little plastic trim piece that you have to pop out like that. And there's another 10mm way back in there. Alright, so that is out. And then what I like to do is I'll start at the bottom. I'll start at the bottom of the door panel, and you'll feel like a little opening in here. I'll put that in there, the pry tool, and then start prying back. So you're gonna pry it back all the way until you see only the top holding on, and then lift up in the rear, and just wiggle the door panel free. Don't pull too far away because your door lock actuator is hooked up to here. And on these ones, you'll see it normally sits like this. And in order to take that off, you just kind of wiggle and slide it up that slot. Like that. Your window switch is already disconnected. And there you go. All right, now that we got the door panel off, I'm going to show you how to remove the handle and remove that vent. All right, so we'll start at the back. And there's going to be four screws that are keeping the handle on. Since we're removing the vent at the same time, I'm just going to take the rest of these off. And then this will just wiggle out. And there you go. You have your interior release door handle and your air vent off.